getting connected. I was not supposed to be here sharing my expertise with you all people. Thanks to PSG Institute for giving us this opportunity to take up all these things here, trying to educate, trying to enlighten you people in terms of digital marketing, which is literally doing great in the market nowadays. So let me just start with my presentation. If you have any doubts, you can always ask me the question. I should be able to help you out. Thank you. Okay, so how many of you know about Google AdWords? Nice. I think it's good. So let me start with my presentation. How I'm going to divide this section is more like I'm going to take you through the basics first, and then hopefully we can have a small demonstration on how do I play with the Google AdWords in terms of those strategy, and how do I organize the campaign structure, so that you're very much aware of, okay, this is how we have to play with Google AdWords. Hopefully the basic is very simple, but when it comes to real practical, that is where the major challenge is. So let me just take you through the presentation. So this is my first slide. It says pay-per-click AdWords. It's all about the clicks, okay? Because I hope you all should be knowing about one of the product of Google called AdSense. How many of you know about AdSense? Yeah, it's one of the way how we make money with the help of Google and all, but that strategy is completely different than the strategy that we are going to learn over here. Now what is that? In AdSense, hopefully in the year 2000, we were like, mainly if you have your own blogs, you can see the ads of Google on your blog, and if some external user, for example any user or customer comes to your blog or your website and start clicking on those ads, then Google pays you some money. But that was a different way of pushing the clicks and everything. But we are not here for those reasons, because hopefully you know, like, India is actually in down in terms of AdSense program, because there are many people who are intentionally clicking on the ad just to generate revenue. So we are not going to learn that one, but here we are more about learning the ethical way of creating clicks for our business model. So I would say pay-per-click AdWords is all about clicks, because you don't pay to Google until unless someone doesn't click on your ad. So yes, clicks has to happen, so that you need to, like, you pay to Google. Now for sure, where do you prefer? For example, you are a business owner, you are a startup, you are an entrepreneur. So where would you prefer your ads to be shown? On the first page, or on the second, or on the 10th, or on the 14th? Where do you prefer? First, correct? Yeah, that is where the whole business lies. That is where your ROI or your revenue lies. So how do you present yourself on the first position is all about the challenge. Okay, that is the main challenge, and we are here to learn the techniques that makes our business much more easier to be on the first page. And that is the reason why we are all here to learn Google AdWords. Now,